So in your overall branding strategy, you also need this ingredient in your recipe, and that is the right combination of optimization and conversion. What is required in optimization is that you scale up your resources to increase impact with the same resources. So can you use the same resources to increase the impact of your brand on the social media? Can you trigger the emotions using the same resources? Can you scale up your resources from, for example, one time zone to another time zone by using these scheduling tools? Can you use the similar messages at different time in different platforms to catch the different audience and see their reaction? So you can also use different ads for different objectives. That is possible. And you also need to perfect both the front end of the creative and the back end, that is the marketing of the ads. So your creative is your front end, your marketing is the back end. So you need to perfect in the optimization, you need to perfect those things. You have to convert your analytics and the analysis into actionable insights. These are all part of the optimization process of checking if the user indeed takes action when you want to. Are you able to do that? Are you in control of these actions, and to what extent you are in control? You have to see your return on investment. Is it worth? And if you find that certain users do not give you that ROI, so in your strategy, in your optimization process, you have to exclude them. So you have to match this conversion process with your optimization. Your optimization going hand in hand with this kind of conversion. So your optimization will take care of the users which are not giving you the right kind of ROI, return on investment. Similarly, you have to use the successful events which are able to give you that kind of ROI to reverse engineer, to dissect, to do the back engineering, to find out what were the reasons of success, and use these reasons of success to further optimize. You have to use these reasons again and again to increase your impact. So you have to use these successful resources again and again to increase your impact, and that is how you optimize your efforts for branding. So in this conversion process, you will probably have to have a personalized approach, customer centric approach, in order to engage your audience, in order to trigger that emotions, in order to brand yourself, in order to have the loyalty of the audiences to your products and services and to your brand. So the process of automation and conversion is technical in nature, and it's a complex process. So on social media, how do you balance this optimization and conversion, and how you do this to your advantage, to your branding, to the increase of your followers, to increase the impact? So that requires a lot of skills, which when you do it, you will understand.